Life in movies or similar journeys. Life is worthy and so are movies. Love and passion, anger and pain. Sunshine and snow, there's also rain. Life is in a movie. Proof is a theorem.
In the beginning of 14th century, Anarchy was reigning in South India. Everyone, including the innocent tribals of the forest, was suffering in those grievous circumstances. A very strong power was revolutionarily emerging with the aim to start all foreign atrocities and laid a foundation for the independent kingdom. This great power was Sri Madhava Vidyaranya Swami. Harihara Bukkaraya brothers were his able war generals. After being victorious in the war, they had established the great Vijayanagara kingdom. As winners of the war, Shri Madhava Vidyaranya Swami got the control of an immense treasure of gold, gems and diamonds. Swamiji had created impregnable multi-layered defensive system to protect the treasure in a secret place of Mount Kishkinda. Vidyaranya Swami held a rendezvous with all the liberated tribal chieftains afterwards.
I have created this Potupatula Petika both to protect and acquire the great treasure.
Kuya Konda Kuya. Swami, you have not only saved our kingdom, you are the savior of our living. Our lives are forever indebted to you, Swami. Your wish is our command forever. We will protect this Petika with our lives for the generations to come.
My disciple, please keep this Potupatula Petika under the safeguard of your God.
Okay, Swami.
Nobody should get this Petika, even under the direst of circumstances.
Kuya Konda Kuya.
Vidyaranya Swami was holding a conference with the key persons of the great Vijayanagara kingdom.
Prime Minister,
Gurudeva,
this is the copper control. It will give directions to reach the Potupatula Petika in the emergency. In Vijayanagar government, not only the kings, even the responsibilities of the ministers are wiped out.
sure Swami.
All prime ministers will accept the duty of protecting this copper counter as their inherited duty to his kingdom. In the generations to come, if our kingdom face any critical difficulties, the prime minister must follow the instructions in this contour. It is prime minister's duty of honor to find the treasure duly following those instructions and thereby saving the king and his subjects.
We follow your command, Gurudeva. I will take the action as soon as possible. The last words of Vidyaranya Swami in the meeting was echoing even in the dreams of the people present there.
Remember, the person of choice should be willing to give his life for the cause and kingdom, if necessary. He must be brave enough, must not be selfish and timid. For others, this treasure hunt is extremely deadly.
Sadhayet riddhi tava buddhi mahatvam. Sadhayet rajam riddhi bhavadiyam. भवदीय विजयं तथ्यम् विजय पथतारा हे धीरा
Gather here, glad lads, come to your cool plans. Tell your story, life is a chess. Tackling the tactics, pawns are mounted. Life is an encounter. Horses rushing and some marching. Victory holds only intellectual. Hook up by the crook, disclose the quandary. Triumph is a strategy. More than amazing, Hulk and his bulk. Smart champions the war. Winning with versatility. Honesty gives you the dynasty. Oh, oh, rejuvenating indolence, rising the resilience. Shattering the army makes a war mighty. Saving the humanity makes a deity. Elevating indigence, igniting intelligence. Harming the man remnants the violence. Charming them needs all talents. Moving the moonlight is only by sun. Oh, roll with the furthermost, you'll never ever lose. Run, run, ranger, tackle the danger. Rise up the visual to ozone. Mind game, move on, war zone, track on. Wisdom is a weapon. Water thundering, chariots glory, conquering the court's constellation. Vira the Vira, look forward to under the wheel of glory. And lions hunt and hunt, sound and bound that chases all. It's a wonder to be a nightingale, forever ever admires you. Oh, 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 oh.
Sixteenth century. Almost 200 years has passed. The kingdom of Vijayanagara has reached the zenith of the power, not only politically, but also in the fields of social, economics, trades, vast literary, fine arts, and culture. The kingdom is gleaming with unparalleled power in those items.
Japanese, Osaka to Portugal. Dragon voices sound, the boss's choices sound. The classes fair was sexy Praga. The Praga. In this earth, imperial self. In hat, in patches, it's at. Coaches place, golden space. Marvelous, fabulous, glorious, but miraculous. Fanciful fair. For welfare, waves are the virtue, come never do ring me.
Truth, dharma, kindness are tribute to all the employees of Vijayanagar Kingdom. And for their lifelong pursuit and virtues of this, I fold my hands and bow my head to our elders and ancestors. In our daily court proceedings, we lack a humorous and witty poet in our kingdom. And that is bothering me a lot, Appaji. Moreover, everything associated with Vijayanagar Kingdom are 8. There are 8 mountains in all directions of our kingdom. There are 8 protective walls around our estate. There are 8 main doors to our court. But unfortunately, there are only 7 poets in our court. Our ambition is to create 8 masterclass poets, but we have to satisfy with 7 poets only for now. The empty chair of the 8th poet is the source of worry for me.
Greetings, my lord. My lord, today I will prove it that I am the wisest person than anyone in this council has ever come across. What I meant was that today I am going to prove that I am the wisest person in this gathering, second only to my teacher Tattacharya. My lord, I will pose a challenge or puzzle to all our 7 Diggajas. 9 equals 6 and 6 equals 9. Why are you thinking so much? Answer quickly.
Bonaiya ji. We are not getting to any solution, even thinking a lot about it.
It means there's no one among you who's a genius. I am the most intelligent one. I am the most intelligent. Ha! I am the most intelligent. Oh, I am the most intelligent. Now this is 6. Sure about 6? Now see? How will it change into 9? Any guesses now? Watch this. Here is 9! My lord, kindly if you give another chance to me, I will ensure this time I will definitely please you. Now I will show you how 9 changes to 6 instantly, my lord.
Do you want to turn and show that same model which is in your hand?
Oh, no, my lord. My lord, now you are going to see a miracle. Till now, no one on this earth has ever heard or seen this trick. This is also the magic of magics, the mother of all magics, the best trick that any... Yes, my lord. This is 9. 9 quickly became 6.
We lack in something even though we have 7 Diggajas in our Bhuvna Vijayam? We need a poet. He should be able to resolve any critical situation with his wittiness.
Yashoda's cute son Krishna is like you. Her love is like butter you got to taste the charm. In bubbling milky frogs, you feel the motherhood. She showed her affection into his brighter sun. In heart, in breath, flowing the happiness.
मिलित विद्यामुक्तां दिव्यमाणिक्ययुक्तां जननी कनकवृष्टिं दक्षिणां तिरुपयामि.
Dear God, I have only one desire. I think I don't need to make you aware of it again and again. As he believes in wisdom of poetries, assure and bless him to gain earnings out of it.
Aha! How brilliantly you wrote this, Ramakrishna. Congrats, congrats.
Ah, congrats, congrats. When you are filling this entire home with these gainless poetries, obviously you must appreciate yourself.
But I haven't got even one opportunity to prove myself.
Rama, the opportunities will not come to us. We have to create them. If you write your poetry inside these 4 walls,
You will only run out of the papers, but we won't get the food we desire. First, go where people need you and then earn money on your talent, okay?
he won't change his attitude. He will be useless forever. When will I get my problem solved?
My mother is suffering because of my irresponsible behavior. I have to make my mother happy from this moment. Finally, you look better and fine, Amma. I promise you now. From tomorrow, I will be on the job to find some work.
I know that you will change your attitude, Rama. Rama, be a go-getter. I wish you would overcome all the obstacles that are presented to you. Go ahead.
Hey there, sir. Huh? Who are you? Why did you come here? What do you do for a living? I'm a poet. Oh, wow. Are you a poet? Yes, I am. Could you please help me get some work? We are all poor in this place. We will survive only if we have work for the day. How can we help a poet like you here, sir? Sir, please go from here. I don't think we can help you.
Poet, go from here.
Poets have nothing to do here. Get out of here, you poet.
If you are a poet, then go to the community place.
We work very hard every day in our farms. We all gather here in the evening hours for small relief just for a little time. But why here only? Do you know anything about poetry? What are you saying? Poetry? We don't like things like that here. However, Ramanathan likes the poetry. He is coming here. You may speak to him. Oh, look. There he is right now. Huh?
Greetings to everybody. Please, have your seats, please. Who are you? What are you here for?
I'm a poet.
Oh, really? Congrats, congrats. Would you please recite a part from your poetry for us?
నలుగురు నిను బలుమారున్ గెలుతువు సుగుణోత్తికి కాంతి కీర్త్యాకృతునన్ నలుగురు నిను బలుమారున్ బలి బలి అను కర్చరంగా పాండురంగా
Hey, stop, that's it.
My God! Oh my God! I don't even understand a single part of his speech. I've never heard any such thing. I don't even know if I can go home after hearing this. This destroyed my brain.
Is it poetry? Huh? It would be useless if nobody understands your work. Stop. Please change your ways if you want to improve. Don't be sad, young poet.
Are you calling me a poet? Please don't make fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you. I'm appreciating greatness of your poetry. You are a great poet, but no one here has capability to recognize your talent.
Then where should I go?
Vijayanagar. The king himself is a great poet. He's trying to create a setup of great council of poets named Ashtadikgajas. You will get your due recognition only there for your poetry. Please start your journey. You will have my blessings.
Thank you. In fact, I am praying for that success only, Master.
Lead it with vision. Legends like you are to kill apparition.
May success be yours.
Devotion.
When you are blessed by your mother and guru, you never ever away from divine blessings by God even.
Evolution might intensifying. Execution while the Milky Way cure your footprints. All the molecules in your hectares. Harmful pros dance on in the pledge. Thesis links for with the sharpest. Stay sharpen that sorcery and stand and stab all of these vectors. Poetry's an art. Passions in the heart. Prodigy and smart. Time for us.
Oh, Divine Mother, everyone in this world worships you, places you offerings, and believes that you are the mother of whole universe. But what are you doing to your believers? Mother, what is this attire? Why do you need those many heads and hands? If you really are the mother of the world, then why are you scaring your believers? Please explain. Oh, Divine Mother, is this your true self? Please bless me, Mother.
My son, you have pleased me with your prayer, love, and your grateful attitude. For that, I bless you, Tenali.
What are those, Mother?
In my right hand, I hold the wealth. If you have it, you will be rich. In my left hand, I have the knowledge. If you have it, you will be scholar. It's your responsibility to choose, Tenali Rama. What you want, money or the knowledge? Do you want knowledge, my son?
No, Mother. I want money too.
Ramakrishna, what are you doing?
Don't be angry, Mother. Knowledge without money will not feed my family. At the same time, money without knowledge, I can never consider myself as rich. That's why I need both. Now please make me both rich and knowledgeable, dear Mother.
Yes, sure, my son. You will be. However, your money will not benefit you. And the same goes with your knowledge. You will live as witty poet, my son. Be brave, Ramakrishna, and overcome all the obstacles with your wisdom.
Huh? That means I'm a witty poet. Thank you, dear Mother. Thank you.
Well done, Ramakrishna, well done. I appreciate your talents. From now on, you are also one of our council's poet.
I'm grateful, my lord. I will keep up your trust.
It is declared to all the people of Vijayanagara Kingdom that Shri Tenali Ramakrishna has been appointed as the 8th poet in our Bhuvana Vijayam, which is a glorious symbol for truth and dharma.
A lord of sizzling sunrise, a lord of elegant wisdom, monarch of the winning kingdom, legendary sword of freedom. Tenali is a name, immortal is its fame, royalty to the fray. Hey Lord, hey Lord, hey Lord. Leader of the industrious territory, rider of the illustrious glory. I'll be a saga stunning victory. You are the monarch, rising from the resin bright fiery, cognizing the bugger right fully, inspiring the set of Vega mastery. Head of the hierarchy, stars and Mars turning, dwelling, dictator of all rule. Pioneer of penny poetry, designer for the destiny, typify that you justify. Hey Lord, hey Lord, hey Lord.
Salutes to patrons and lords of Bhuvana Vijayam.
We are already thrilled with your wizardies yesterday. Hence, please let us know what would you want as a reward from us.
Lord, as your trusted bodyguard, it will be my duty to test your food before you eat it. As an expert like me should be by your side. This is for the safety of your country. I would request you to appoint me as a commander of your King's Guard.
Yes, my lord. We can grant his desire, in my opinion, my lord.
My lord. In my opinion, we will wait for 10 minutes to decide so that we can consult Tenali before we take up whatever decision in the matter. I believe Tenali had to run away from here after looking at my performance yesterday. If he is supposed to come actually, I am placing this 3-minute timer here so that we all can wait. By the time this 3 minutes over, all the 3 straps connected to the timer gets cut and those 3 swords will come closer and all the sand will reach to the lower part. If Tenali don't turn up by then, Prime Minister sir has to support my claim for appointment as Commander of King's Guard.
The wizard's idea is absolutely brilliant.
Your intellectual depravity is visible in this idea of yours. Tenali is the intellect par excellence and will silence all your wagging tongues. He gives tit for your tat. He is such a brilliant that he can rewrite your fate with his wisdom and counters your magic with his magic.
Dear dog, I will put the wizard who has sent you for me also in the same situation.
Stop this thrills and nonsense. First of all, tell me, why did you get so late for the court? And what is this outfit?
Rajguru, I have taken some rest and had a leisurely
Stop
bath.
your lazy chat. All the king's servants should be very prompt, do you know? We never put off the things for tomorrow. Those can be done today. Please learn from us. Understood?
Oh, is it? That means you have done today's bath yesterday itself, as you are too prompt.
You are joking on Rajguru himself? Shame. Every intelligent man is an arrogant one too.
Oh, it means you are also an arrogant person, sir.
I am not arrogant.
Does that imply you don't have any cleverness?
Silence!
For our lordship. For the audience, and especially for our foreign wizard. Bum bum, fatam fatam, kata kata kata, jatam jatam, gutam latam, kaka kaka kaka, katam khatam, kuku kuku kuku, kuhum boom.
We got rid of him. It will be good if he never comes back.
Tas tas paha jaha dum tadi tadi tat phata phat gadi gadi tat thata phat jata phat.
The magic of teleport, pre-planning and preparation for playing the trick is extremely important.
Ramakrishna, where did you go and how did you come? What are those skulls and bones?
I went to the other invisible side known well for our wizard.
What?
The people of that world wanted these to be gifted to this wizard.
What an inappropriate allegation. I do not have any connection with them.
I will just come to that.
The magic of hologram, the ability to create illusion of object creation and displaying them to everybody. What is this, Ramakrishna? Why did you bring these half-bitten fruits?
These are the half-bitten fruits of our wizard left over in the invisible world. Sir, while I was returning, the people of that place gave it to me to give him.
These are all lies. What is this invisible world? And what are these skulls, bones, and half-bitten fruits?
These are all yours.
So what? I would not do them.
Then who will do?
That parrot!
The great elusive oratorial sorcery. I would hypnotize you to say what I want from the process of attracting your attention to me and losing your senses.
What did you say, parrot? How can you do that? What is the matter with you?
Appaji, let me explain the matter. The secret lies in that magical curtain which hid everything from being visible to us. My lord, his speciality is making the parrot invisible to us. And with that parrot's help, he will do all the tricks he performed. His main aim is to get into your king's guard as commander and kill you at the opportune time. The truth is that he is the spy of our enemy, Bahmani Sultan.
Trapped.
After his performances, I doubted his action. I spied on him to find the truth and found a letter from the Bahmani Sultans in his place which elaborates this plot. I'm presenting all the evidences on that matter to you, my lord.
Capture this traitor and put him immediately behind the bars.
I will remember you.
Wonderful, Ramakrishna, wonderful. Your intelligence is great. Please accept these gifts.
Is this why Tenali came late to today's meeting at all?
Because he wants to make you look like a fool in the court, Guruji. Oh my God. Why me?
Crazy and classic hero, stylish and superhero, places the mind of magic Myro. bunch of mission Taro. Tenali Ramakrishna, he has got guts and brilliance. Tenali Ramakrishna, supercomputer brainy. Tenali Ramakrishna, you have immortal endurance. Tenali Ramakrishna, ultimate eighth wonder. Star of the talent crew, trigger of the target too. If any error presents terror like a soldier, gallant gunning Jew, thinking a high speed. If any question, presentation like a sensation, layers the soil into solid transactions. He makes the magic mania to portray the real values. Tenali Ramakrishna, he has got guts and brilliance. Tenali Ramakrishna, supercomputer brainy. Tenali Ramakrishna, you have immortal endurance. Tenali Ramakrishna, ultimate eighth wonder. Dinaka dinna takarda dinaka dinna. 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 Dinaka dinna dinna.
That Tenali Ramakrishna and his new friend Chitti together, I tell you. Greetings for dear parrot friend Chitti.
Library is his head, taking like you are dead. Bearing in mind IQ Einstein, mediocre to you. Magic wand of Harry, Tarzan's badly. Legacy living, legendary serving, didactic God. Chaplin's a role model built in dignity. Master of Mr. Bean, your king to bring your honey sing. Tenali Ramakrishna, you are an idol from now. Tenali Ramakrishna, you are the blazing thunder. Tenali Ramakrishna, we take a bow for you, Lord. Tenali Ramakrishna, he's the universal big boss.
How much time should we wait, Boniaji? No one from either side turned up. I have a little gardening work to do.
There will be no rest for the wicked, my friend. Have patience and wait for the rabbits to get into the trap. Wait for their arrival.
Okay, Boniaji. Despite me pestering, you have never spilled the beans. That's why you worry more than Tata and get nightmares about the great witty poet Tenali. How has Tenali Ramakrishna wronged you both? Tell me.
There are very few guards to patrol.
The fruits of this garden are acrid and erratic.
My language is encoded language.
My language is decoded language.
You are those who come for the cargo. Give me the money. And please take the cargo. take this money, dear Commissioner. Malana, Pulana.
Wow, my friend Bonia, wow. Your power is outstanding. Your strategy is brilliant.
Do you know why I secretly freed you? Money is the reason. Like you know, a foe to a foe is a friend. Since we both hate Tenali, we are friends.
I understood your requirements, my friend. We both are on the same page. Now we will start the game of destroying the great poet Tenali Ramakrishna. I have some of the greatest weapons and tricks to tackle the menace like that Tenali Ramakrishna. Once and for all.
I got it. With these and with the people you suggest, I will approach my teacher Rajaguru Tatacharya to persuade him. After that, we together will plot a plan. Then we destroy that so-called great poet Tenali Ramakrishna.
If I have fools like you, we can destroy not only Tenali's house, but also the whole of Vijayanagara kingdom.
Good position.
Arabian girls.
Just let us know what you want.
Let us know.
What would be more interesting and valuable than this golden shower by 5 Bahmani Nawabs? Can anyone think of anything else? Now I will disclose all the state secrets of Krishnadev Raya that you wanted. Also, I will disclose more good news from Vijayanagara that I have seen with my own eyes. My dear friends, Sim Salah Bhim Al Khazan.
Are Bahumani friends, do you remember these discrete signs what Jaduvali has taught in this picture? These are the 50,000 cavalry forces of Krishna Devaraya. 50,000 forces. What can Krishna Raya do with this? We sultans have come to fight together with 1 lakh cavalries. Railu will only have dust and scratches, my friends. Dust and scratches.
And here you see, Rayalu have 3 lakhs infantry, and our 5 Bahmani infantry is 5 lakhs. Each 5 of our Bahmani soldiers will slaughter every 3 of Vijayanagara soldiers.
That is true, my lord. Krishna Devaraya is feeble from all aspects. That is the strength of Bahumanis. The war between Krishna Devaraya armed forces with lakhs of Bahumanis will last only for 6 months. We have not to worry about it. If we play hide and seek without getting caught by Krishna Devaraya and extend the war for 6 months, enough, my friend. Then we can crush Devaraya and it is the end of Vijayanagara.
Shut up, Jaduvali. What if the bold Devaraya have a chance to increase his treasury, even by a piece?
What if the Tenali Ramakrishna has got another chance? If these calculations do go wrong, what will you do to stop Vijayanagara victory? Tell me.
Excuse me, where this Tenali comes from now?
He is a witty poet. He does not fear even if his beloved kingdom, Vijayanagara, is in trouble. He will outshine to chase those troubles. But this Jaduvali is more dangerous than that danger. That is why I created fake evidences which prove him to be a traitor against his kingdom. Now, the gift to that witty poet's loyalty is the declaration that is placed in today's Bhuvana Vijayam.
The allegation brought before the Vijayanagaram court is that one of the key person in the consulate has coins and spy gears from the Bahmani kingdom. After the interrogation of the witness in the charge sheet, it was doubted that the same Tenali Ramakrishna who caught the enemy spy Jaduvali, lured by the coin, has released the spy from the jail. The evidence for that has been submitted in the court. Finally, Ranga and Singha, both prisoners, gave their statement that they had witnessed both Tenali and Jaduvali meet secretly in prison had been proven. They declared state ban on Tenali Ramakrishna, and as a punishment, the court ordered him to leave the kingdom immediately.
Dear Badshahs, now the condition of that Vijayanagara kingdom without the witty poet is the same as the body without a head. And the victory is ours. The flames I set in Bhuvana Vijayam will set back the kingdom back into the ocean of sadness.
I can't believe even now how the state ban has been imposed on Ramakrishna Appaji. The grief is after all what happened. He left without saying a word.
Don't be sad, my lord. Although it's humiliation for the kingdom for not having our dearest poet, but by the current situations, someone among us is trying to help our enemy. God cannot save that Vijayanagara kingdom.
As all their plans were successful, Bahmani sultans had announced and started the war on Vijayanagara kingdom with all their combined forces. aside the disappointment of Tenali's ouster from the kingdom, Shri Krishna Deva Raya started preparing for imminent war on Vijayanagara kingdom, duly keeping the welfare of the people as his first duty. On the basis of key information supplied by Chitti, Bahamani Sultan's strategist Jaduwali had started journey towards southwest side along with his troops. Ramakrishna remembered that even though he had received the blessings of Kalika Devi, no one could escape the fate. After worshipping the god, he started his journey into the dense forest.
This is tiger, this is goat. Hurry up, Virya. For how long will you think? Don't be in a hurry, Bulkaya.
Don't do that. If you make your move on that game, you will be trapped in Bulkaya's plot.
You think you know all about the game? We know you have overheard our names. Hence, we will not ask how you have known them.
No need to separately tell your name is Bulkaya, my dear.
What you sir? What are you doing in this forest?
I'm also a traveler just like you. My name is Ramakrishna. And where are you guys going? What are you doing in this forest?
We are going to nearby town to meet Bulkaya's bride-to-be. Hence, we are all going there.
Okay. But did you ever travel in this direction before?
Did not come this way. But yes, we know this forest is little dangerous.
Dangerous? Why is it dangerous?
What I meant was, there are so many rumors about this forest.
Are there any ghost stories or what?
Oh, now stop it. Stop it. I say, I'm very scared.
Wait a minute, Bulkaya. Without raising any more doubts or complications, tell me clearly what is there in this forest?
Nothing as such, Dama. But this place is known to be a home for many cruel tribes. If they see people like us, they will hunt and eat us. Do you even understand? Arey, why all this now? Looks like those cruel tribals have found us. We're in trouble now. Oh my God, please leave me, please, for the God.
Bulkaya has enough fear to match his body size.
Ramakrishna, what are these naughty acts? Our Bulkaya will die with this fear of ghosts. Ramakrishna, you started it all again.
Now you should believe me, because I am also hearing some unusual sounds.
Are you sure?
Hey, Jabberwocky, Jumba 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 re, Jumba 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 re. Hey, hey, Jabberwocky, hey, hey, Jabberwocky, starving so sorry, mommy re, yummy re. Hey.
Jumba, 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 hey. Jumba, 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 hey. Jumba, 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 hey.
Ramakrishna.
There with the dog. Bulky body, lanky daddy. Try to ball that fry on the fuel flood. Humbug Lord, hail, hail, hail. Jabberwockies, badi, badi, badi. 3 days, 4 go, brawly, jolly. Here we go, killy, killy.
Zumba, zumba, hey, hey, zumba, zumba, hey.
We have got sufficient food for 1 week. Jumba, Jumba, Jumba. Ramakrishna, they are not talking about the food that we have brought for us.
Then what?
Our bodies are their food. Stop talking and accept our hostage. We will decide how to cook and eat you.
Huh? What? Stop. This is not possible. I don't have time to accept your hostage. I have to go really far.
Ramakrishna, Ramakrishna.
What? Why are you shouting like that?
Try to understand they are not welcoming to host us.
Whatever the reason they say, I don't have time at all. We will meet again, Danaya. Hey, Bulkaya. Don't die with fear before your death. At least be alive to receive their hostage, man. Hey, stupid. Apply some oil to your hair. Otherwise, they will put you in the zoo thinking you are an animal.
Excuse me, we also don't have much time with us for now. If you want next time when we are here, we will accept your hostage. Thank you. Hang on.
Hey, stupid. Apply some oil to your hair. Otherwise, they will put you in the zoo thinking you are an animal.
Let's give him a free advice. Why this Pulkaya is returning back? Hey, look how your stomach is. And see how my stomach is. So, by next visit, you should have also a similar size stomach as mine. Okay?
What are those stupid sounds? All animals in the forest are likely to run away. Cha! Hey again?
Ramakrishna, tell me what they are going to do to us now.
They are fools. They can do nothing to us. They will just kill us first, then slice us, and then eat us after cooking something on the fire and all. Oh, Mother Kalika, you have to save us from these tribals.
Ramakrishna, are you thinking how to overcome this situation, my son? There is only one dharma in the universe, Yad Bhavam Tad Bhavati. Only that happen which you desire deeply from your heart. Your willpower is very great. Once you decide strongly, it will save you, Tenali Ramakrishna, from any difficult situations.
Ramakrishna, why is he coming towards us?
Oh, our lovely guests. we will eat you by cutting into pieces. Are you fearing? Don't be afraid. But I can spare you to have one chance to save your life. I am the great intellectual person. I'm the wisest human being in the world. This is the reason that I have the keenest observation skills. Got that? Look. You have one option. If any one of you prove that he's more intelligent than me, I will leave you all.
How can we prove that?
I will ask you only one question. If any one of you give us answer, I will leave you all. Otherwise, you know what will happen. Come.
We are ready. Ask away.
My question is the tree first or the seed? Tell me which is created first.
Okay. I have an answer to your question.
Make sure you think before you give me your answer. Remember, you are going to answer to the wisest person on this earth.
The tree has been created first.
You have all lost because without the seed, tree cannot be created at all. Your answer is wrong.
Please be calm. My answer is correct.
Can you explain how?
Yeah, I will explain. But before that, you should answer some questions of mine.
What are those questions?
Who was born first? You or your father?
Stupid question. My father was born first.
Another question is, by age, who is elder? You or your father?
Is it a question? My father is elder.
Then doesn't it mean that the elders are born first?
Oh, yes.
Now, in age, is the tree elder or the seed elder?
Tree is elder.
So, based on it, which is born first?
Tree is elder in age, so the tree has born first. Zumba, Zumba. How dare you criticize me and make fun of me? Send them all to our kitchen. Hey, first of all, kill this oversmart ground shot Lilliput. Lilliput, Lilliput, Lilliput.
I know, Pastor.
Ramakrishna, you have to do something.
Ongara bungarambu, ongara bungarambu, bongara ungarambu, bongara ungara bunga.
What is that?
This is a powerful ring. When we chant a mantra by holding it, it gives the wearer whatever we desire.
Jumbare.
I will die in a short time from now anyway. Before that, it will be good if I give this ring to someone.
Why anyone? Why don't you give it to me? Don't give this ring to him. If you give it to him, there is no use. If you give it to me, I will give you a painless death. How will it be possible? I am the first person to see that ring, so it should be mine.
Okay. Whoever chants the mantra correctly with me, I will give this ring only to him.
What is that mantra?
I will tell. That mantra is Burphata.
Burphata. I said it. Now this ring is mine.
Not like that. The sound of burr should come out from the mouth. But the sound of phata should come out from the other person's cheek. For example, burjua.
Now I got it. But I don't think I got it. I will tell you how to get it. Brrr, pada. Brrr, pada. Brrr, pada. Brrr, pada. Brrr, pada. Brrr, pada. 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 Brrr, pada.
Kondappa! Redappa! What is happening to all of you?
Brrr, pada.
Burr.
Ramakrishna, you are so intelligent. If your minds are so bad, what was the use of having an intelligent chief?
Kuyo! Kuyo Chief, we have been cheated. That short person cheated us, Kuyo Chief.
If we are to be good, then not only that short one, even the strongest can't cheat us.
It is not that, Chief. That Potupatula Petika, which we were guarding from generations, have been stolen by that short man.
Potupatula Petika?
Saira dira dira soira taskara bhagira. Saira dira dira soira taskara bhagira. Saira dira dira soira taskara bhagira. Saira dira dira Krishna karka dhairya dira. Saira dira dira saira dira 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 dira.
Ramakrishna, Jaduvali has escaped from the jail. This is the vital document you have got from him. Ramakrishna, this document contains all our military secrets of fund allocation, payments, and number of forces, etc. Through that Jaduvali, our enemies must have already got them. Ramakrishna, it means the dangerous times to our kingdom have started.
What may go wrong, Appaji? Even if our enemies have those, we might have a strategy for it.
Ramakrishna, it is not easy to win over enemy strategies once they know our numbers. This is our Vijayanagar kingdom, which is gradually emerging day by day. If this kingdom gets enough strength, then it can crush the 5 Bidar, Birar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Golconda, Bahmani forces together. That's why the Bahmani sultans are eagerly trying to crush this kingdom before it gets the strength.
How can we get enough strength to defeat Bahmani sultans together at the quickest way, Appaji?
We need money, Ramakrishna. Money. To develop our army and other defenses, we need lots of money. The only way to get it quickly is achieving the buried treasure of Vidyaranya Swami 2 centuries ago. You need to know a few things if you were to get that heavily fortified treasure.
Remember, this treasure hunt is extremely deadly.
According to the rule of Vidyaranya Swami, the person to proceed for the treasure must be selfless, brave, clever, and quick-witted, independent person. The only way you can be made eligible is to remove all official designations from you.
Tenali Ramakrishna to leave the kingdom immediately.
This copper contour, which was created 200 years back, gives us the location of the Potupatula Petika, which holds the details of the great treasure hidden in the Kishkinda mountain Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna, you have to achieve the Potupatula Petika by your intellect and your wit. The Potupatula Petika will help us giving befitting reply to all our enemies and Jaduvali who are preparing to destroy our kingdom. Ramakrishna, your plan should be simple, decision strong, and implementation should be secret. This is the order placed by Vidyaranya Swami to the Prime Minister of Vidyanagar Kingdom. The order also proclaims that treasure hunt process should be only with us, and the king and the government should not be part of this process.
Your order, Prime Minister.
Abbar ka jabra, gabbar ka dabra. Oh, Tenali, you prepared the plan of kingdom defense by the disguise of banning from the kingdom. You want to get the great treasures of Kishkinda mountain without our knowledge.
And moreover, you are in the opinion that there will be no one to tell your wicked plans, Jaduvali.
Tenali, to squash you like a buck and then to achieve the treasure in this mountain is why I am here. That is the only reason I Jaduvali is here.
Look, Bulgaya, if you come with me, you will face troubles. Find any comfortable
Ramakrishna, don't talk like that. You saved our lives. Now even the life or death, we are with you forever. Huh? Huh?
Meher brother, send your soldier right now. Huh? Go, go. Go, go. Please come, Tenali ji. Please come. Please come. Why does Vijayanagara need another great treasure as long as you are there? This could be your greediness. Go. Find the treasure we are looking for and give it us, brother.
Treasure? Do you want to get the treasure? I should give it to you. You tried to poison the food for the Bahmani tribute, you Bahmani slave?
To please Bahmani sultans. Tenali, now this Jaduwali doesn't need any pleasure of Nawabs. I want the world dominance. I want that enormous treasure to buy this world. Huh? See there.
My dear Jaduwali. You have assigned me good work of kidnapping and bringing Tenali's mother. Thanks for keeping her captive under my supervision.
Amma.
Come on, Bonaya. I would show you the trick in the Vruta Kharga that may cut your mother's throat with this Kharga Sutra, which is going to make you give us the treasure. For once, look this another Vruta Kharga that was fastened ready. For every 5 minutes, these straps in this Vruta Kharga will get cut off and its blades close one by one in the sequence. And within 20 minutes, all blades will close. And all these straps get cut off to cut her throat wide open, my dear friend Tenali Ramakrishna. Oh God, that's so sad, so sad. My heart gets so weak to convey, Tenali ji. Please accomplish the great treasure for your mother and hand it to me in the name of your mother. Thereafter, take this revered Kharga Sutra from me. And revolve it like this to grant rebirth to your dear Amma. Meanwhile, in this plan, if you disagree or deploy any small threats, then look here. This Kharga Sutra is not only well acquainted with just saving life, but also can put the end to your mom's life without any time limits.
Oh my God! I don't even know about this. The master is ready with the dangerous plan.
Hey, what are you looking at? Hurry up. There is less time to save your dear Amma. Go.
Ancient Indian calligraphy. Look for, aware of gestures, multiply by playful eyes. Was the puzzle of zigzag boxes way. Out of the boxes, maximum percentage are fatal boxes and kill the people who step on it. However, a small percentage of boxes are correct ones. If you have to reach the other side safely, We need to solve the first equation in the Potu Patula Petika. In front of me are these small bells. Bells in anklets. Anklets on feet. 2. Gestures. Implying 2 hands. Total 4. And if I multiply 4 with playful eyes, the 2 eyes totaling 8. Missing nose ring 1. Take away 1 from 8 equals 7. In Ardhanarishwar, goddess adorns the left side and at her footsteps. That means the 7th step from the left side.
My friend, first warning, you have to hurry up.
I know how to save my Amma. Every 7th step from left side will take me towards the goal. Invisible path. The deathly bows machine has been disabled.
So now the real obstacles are ready for this king of humor. Let's see what he does.
Potu Patula Petika, a show of light and shadows by the Riddler. Potu Patula Petika, a show of light and shadows by the Riddler. This might be the overlapping of shadows and light by the Riddler. Here, Riddler is this Potu Patula Petika. So to open the doorway and to pass to the other side, one has to match the illuminated profile on that wall with the true shadow of this Potu Patula Petika. I'm getting close to the treasure.
Not you. I am getting close to the treasure, my dear friend.
A taste of poison leads to the other door. Death is a mistake before the treasure you score. Taste of poison leads to the other door. Death is a mistake before the treasure you score. It means one has to intake this poison and press the right lever by its taste. If it is salty, then I opt for white lever. If it is acrid, then for green. Spicy, then red. Bitter, then blue. Sweet, then yellow. Or if it is sour, then the black lever, so as to pass and get to the treasure. But if I press the wrong lever, then what? Imminent death.
My friend, second warning. You have to hurry up.
The poison taste is acrid. Vidyaranya Swami, you are great. In a second, you made me dead and gave my life back in the other. My homage for your intellect. Jai Swami, Jai.
lots of rewards.
I've never seen so much treasure. I can be the leader of the Ashtadikkaja with this one shot.
Gold, gold. Aha. Hey, Tenali ji, I will not eat bread anymore. Instead, I will eat only gold. Gold from now on.
Maya Mayuri.
Ramakrishna, once you reach the destination, you have to sacrifice yourself. Goodbye.
My friend Jadoo Ali, you got what you wanted. Please release my mother now. As a reward for my effort, you can gift me this golden peacock idol as a small gift.
Hey, stop! Hey, Tenali. I will not spare neither your life nor your dear Amma's. I have just used you to get access to this treasure. And I will not spare a single ounce of that gold, not for anyone.
You are holding the Maya Mayuri, my dear Jaduvalli. This step of yours, holding this faulty treasure, is going to be your death trap in a few seconds.
Aren't these real gold and jewelry? How come they are melting and vanishing like that?
Hey, Polia, let's run. It's a disaster. Stupid Jaduvalli has made a mess and God is all into trouble. Oh God, I'm finished. Hey, soldiers, what are you doing? Your master is going to count the worms soon, you stupid idiots.
Okay, then proceed.
Hey, you idiots! This cave is going to crumble and be flat in any minute. Run for your life quickly. Run! What are you waiting for? Run!
Then let's run. Run. Escape. Run quickly.
Tenali, you tried to cheat this Jaduvalli, huh? Chitti, take this. Good.
Hey, Chitti! Oh, dear Jaduvalli, the master of the fools. This is my Guruji Tenali Ramakrishna's plan. He is the cleverest of the lot. My actions are according to the plan of Tenali. You have been fooled.
Treasure Hunter. The treasure secures your kingdom. Give up life. The Maya Mayuri needs it.
That means, though I overcome all the complex measures to reach the end, I will have to surrender myself to the Maya Mayuri in that false treasure. It is a waste to die and achieve when I can't achieve and live. Instead of mine, if I let somebody else sacrifice theirs, that would be inappropriate. So, who is the root cause for all these troubles? And who is liable for the hunt of this centuries ago treasure? I must offer his life, Jaduvali's life. I should plan for the same and assign it to a loyal guy.
Rama, come my
Amma,
son.
you leave quickly.
Tenali is not in danger. Please leave.
Hey, Tenali! Are you cheating me for the treasure? I will kill you! Tenali!
Amma? Look.
It would have been even better if we got the treasure too, isn't it, Ramakrishna?
Since we have fulfilled all the conditions of Potupatula Petika, we are the ones who will get the treasure.
Design for is what you've earned for emerald woven emerald gems. Won't you succeed? Mahadevara Vidyarana directed wealth is here. Prodigies ever end your glory story. Astonishing, astounding, aspiring ecstasy. Life-turning fortune, Lord's blessing lives on. It's not a fair fiction, it's a legacy's diction. Esteemed establishments, halo DT. Sararis go to you, primordial. Songs of your glory are so real. All that you desire for is what you've earned for. Emerald woven emerald gems, would you succeed? Where you have come from has always been a mystery. Knowledge and wisdom, paramount of mastery. Gravel to gold, the glow of the globe. Made up the day, sheen the sword of our head. Astonishing, astounding, aspiring ecstasy. Life-turning fortune, Lord's blessing lives on. It's not a fair fiction, it's a legacy's diction. Esteemed establishments, halo DT.
Anybody could guess what would be the result of such a war. Bahmani sultans lost the fight shamefully, and Vijayanagara kingdom became more powerful. Shri Krishnadevaraya had given red carpet welcome to Tenali. Also, the king was very happy to know and acknowledge Tenali's selfless efforts in achieving the treasure for the glory of the Vijayanagara kingdom. Lakshmamma was very happy and proud for Tenali. The jailer, soldiers, Mallana and Pallana, who made false allegations, have escaped and left the kingdom in secrecy. Then by rewarding his dear friends Ranga and Singha, he made them jailed once again. After looking at our comic poet's rising stature in the court, Tatacharya was burning with jealousy and was looking for an opportunity to undermine Tenali. You can imagine, if the situation of the guru was like that, what would be the situation of the student? And now, could you identify the icon of Fool's community who is dancing among the tribal here? He is none other than Bhunya. He lost his way in the woods, was caught by the tribes, who was settling down after getting to know that the Potu Patula Petika is into safe hands. He challenged Rajappa that he would make 6 into 9 and turn over the 6. Rajappa got angry and beaten him black and blue. After looking at meatless Bhunya, instead of killing him, Rajappa took him into his tribe. Shri Krishnadevaraya and his court prestiged our Parrot Chitti by appointing him as the food inspector of Vijayanagara kingdoms, Bhuvana Vijayam. Every councillor could take food only after Chitti ate. Tenali Ramakrishna had arranged the marriage of Pulkaya with the mighty and bulky girl Kundamma.
My darling, do you know that in my 133 marriage proposals, I never had a privilege to meet such a beautiful girl like you?
Same here, my dear. Do you know, even I have never met anyone more handsome than you from my childhood.
My dear, you are just born for me.
Jai Ho, Guardian of Empire! Jai Ho, Nemesis of felony! Jai Ho, Achiever of endeavor! Jai Ho, Dheer Tenali Ramakrishna!
Race your tank inside, that's victory for you. Who you warrior, he's got your back, yeah, that's his arena. Chief of the निष्कळङ्क कीर्ति शोभित कलावतंसका शूराधीरा अपरमित चतुरा विदुरा विद्वन्मणि मणि गृणि कुशाग्रधीर्मताग्रणी प्रभवत् विभवत् अतुलित ज्ञानधीरा अहो प्रभवत् विभवत् प्रज्ञा दिव्यगात्रा प्रभवत् विभवत् प्रभवत् प्रभवत् विभवत् अतुलित ज्ञानधीरा अहो प्रभवत् विभवत् प्रज्ञा दिव्यगात्रा But they say the sky's the limit. For him it's really true. But my friend, you see I'm nothing. Just wait until he gets through. Sight. Buddhi. Go for the ride. Riddhi. Adventure is on. Siddhi. Don't you challenge him. He ain't got mercy. He's wise and brilliant. This ain't fantasy. Grace, style, and elegance. Words and pain, that's more of his game. Word of thoughts, that's so like his name. Utility together last
साधयेत् ऋत्वितम बुद्धि महत्वम सिद्धिर्भवति राज्यं तथ्यम विजय पदधारा हे धीरा